Hi judges, I'm Sundaran representing team 4 Angry Men. So when a commercial aircraft breaks down, an event known as AOG or aircraft on ground happens, the airline loses up to $150,000 every single hour it sits on the tarmac. Airlines have all the data they need to fix this, but it is locked in disconnected silos. To recover a flight, human dispatchers have to manually cross-reference maintenance manuals, warehouse inventory, fleet status, and crew schedules. This manual friction takes hours and causes massive downstream delays. Meet FirstMate. We built an AI-powered multi-agent orchestration engine that acts as a digital dispatcher, reducing a 4-hour manual logistics nightmare into a 15-second automated recovery directive. To build this at enterprise scale, we use a strictly decoupled architecture. We use Cohere command R plus for logistical reasoning and standard deterministic Python for strict FAA math like calculating pilot fatigue limits. But our secret weapon is Coral. Normally, LLMs hallucinate when asked to join multiple databases. We use Coral cross-source SQL as our unified data layer. We connected 5 distinct databases: Codex, Inventory, Fleet, Crew, and Flight Schedules into one seamless Coral schema. FirstMate doesn't guess the answer, it autonomously writes SQL queries through the Coral to fetch hard localized facts. Judges, please toggle safe deployment mode off to experience the live AI. Let's assume a 777 in Delhi reports a critical turbine vibration. Let's trigger the protocol. The agent queries Coral, finds the required part is out of stock, knows the 12-hour estimated repair time, and instantly pivots or assign an available backup aircraft sitting on the same
Attention
turbine.
command. First mate protocol complete. Aircraft VT772ZA at Indira Gandhi International Airport.
As you can see, we integrated Google text-to-speech to instantly dispatch the final directive as a synthetic ATC broadcast for hands-free ground crew execution. Fixing the plane is only half the battle. Our cascading network impact module dynamically computes the delayed flights, displaced passengers, and gate blockages. It also ensures human safety, checking strict FAA limits. FirstMate catches that the backup captain will legally time out due to repair delays and automatically scrambles a reserve crew. Finally, our interactive supply chain graphs turns this complex data into a live tactical map for dispatchers. By decoupling math and abstracting data with Coral, we eliminated hallucinations. Next, we'll swap our mock schema for live ADS-B telemetry and severe booking APIs. So FirstMate transitions airlines from reactive damage control to proactive automated resilience. Thank you.